Hello everyone, I am Professor Praveen Sarvale, College of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Shardanagar, Baramati. Today we are going to discuss the remaining parts of organic farming. Already the part of organic farming we covered in that definition of organic farming, then advantages, disadvantages, the scope, okay. Then the different ecosystem related to the organic farming. Now, in these parts, we are going to discuss regarding the organic ecosystems and their concepts. The organic ecosystem and their concept, in that the organic farming is practiced differently in a different region of the world, but it has a many similar ecosystems. Okay, in that the first one is a Rishi Krishi method, then Panchagavya Krishi, then biodynamic agriculture, natural farming, then permaculture, then natico farming, and homa farming. These are the different concepts and practices are followed in a different part of different region of the world. In that, the first one is a Rishi Krishi method. It is drawn from the Vedas, popular in Punjab and especially in Maharashtra, in which soil enrichment through formulation Amrut Pani, that means Amrut Pani prepared from the different organic matters and used for the as a biopesticide, bioherbicides for controlling the biologically controlling the pest, diseases, insect, weed, whatever, and increase the yield and produce the quality produce. That is the Rishi Krishi method. Okay, this method is adapted in Vedas by different rishis, so that it is known as a Rishi Krishi method. Then next one is a Panchagavya Krishi. Okay, in this name already included Panchagavya. Panchagavya, that means five different materials are used to prepare the Panchagavya. It includes the five products of animal. In that, first one is a cow urine, then dung, then ghee, milk, and curd. Okay, in that 5 kg cow dung, then okay, sorry 5 liter urine, then 3 kg dung, then in proportion half kg ghee, then 1 kg milk, 1 liter milk, and half kg curds are prepared in a vessel or in a barrel, 200-liter barrel, and dissolve it properly and stir continuously and prepare the Panchagavya, which is useful to use produce the different agricultural produce. Then next one is a biodynamic agriculture. It given by the Rudolf Steiner, in which treat the farm as a living system which interact with the environment and build up the healthy soil and produce healthy food. The next one is a major emphasis on a biological dynamics. Then next one is a natural farming. The most well-known practitioner and a philosopher of a natural farming is Masambo Fukuoka, in which the major emphasis on efficient use of on-farm biological resources and Jivamrut for enrichment of the soil. That means to make the Jivamrut, to add the nutrients, also by different biological activity, microbial activity into the soil. And this natural farming concept is given by the Fukuoka. Then next concept is a permaculture. The term permaculture was developed by and coined by David Holmgren. It is a not productive system, it is a land use planning philosophy. Okay. Actually, it is not a productive system. You can proper utilization of land and land use planning philosophy is included in a permaculture. And the next one is a Natiko farming. In this method, follow the principles of ecosystem networking of nature. This farming system emphasizes on a neighborhood resources enrichment by additives regeneration without depends on external input. Okay, these are the different concept related to the organic farming and ecosystem in worldwide, especially in our country. Panchagavya Krishi, then Rishi Krishi method is mostly followed by the organic farmers. Okay, this is all about the organic ecosystem and their concept, and these are the different seven concept. Already we covered the six concept, and the last one is a Homa farming. It comes from Vedas. It is based on a principle that you heal the atoms and healed atom will heal you. It is a revealed science in which a Sanskrit mantra Agnihotra Puja is used for organic farming. Okay, that means it is comes from Veda, so that all the Sanskrit mantra are included in this Homa farming. Okay, this is all about the organic farming concept. Is worldwide. The Homa farming is also famous in India. Okay, student. If you have problem regarding the all concept, then contact me. Thank you so much.